To determine when to use WorldPay setup, it is essential to understand what WorldPay is and its benefits. WorldPay is a payment processing service that allows businesses to accept payments online, in person, or over the phone. It supports various payment methods, including credit and debit cards, and offers advanced security features to protect transactions. The first step in deciding when to use WorldPay setup is to evaluate your business needs. If you are an online merchant, WorldPay can be an excellent choice as it provides a secure and reliable way to process payments. It integrates with most e-commerce platforms, making it easy to set up and start accepting payments. Another key consideration is the type of payments you need to process. WorldPay supports recurring payments, making it ideal for businesses with subscription-based models. It also supports one-time payments, making it suitable for businesses that sell products or services online. When setting up WorldPay, it is crucial to consider the fees associated with the service. WorldPay charges a transaction fee, which varies depending on the type of payment and the country where the business is located. It is essential to factor in these fees when determining your pricing strategy. Best practices for using WorldPay setup include ensuring that your website is secure and compliant with payment card industry standards. This includes having an SSL certificate and adhering to data protection regulations. It is also essential to provide clear and transparent information to your customers about your payment terms and conditions. In terms of practical examples, WorldPay setup can be used by online retailers, subscription-based services, and businesses that sell digital products. For instance, an online retailer can use WorldPay to process payments for orders, while a subscription-based service can use it to charge customers on a recurring basis. In conclusion, WorldPay setup is an excellent choice for businesses that need to process payments online. By evaluating your business needs, considering the type of payments you need to process, and factoring in the fees associated with the service, you can determine when to use WorldPay setup. By following best practices and providing clear information to your customers, you can ensure a secure and reliable payment processing experience.